1. Importance of wearing seat belts. The first and foremost rule of road safety is to wear seat belts while driving. Seat belts can save lives in case of accidents and should always be worn properly. 2.
Avoiding distractions. Distracted driving is a major cause of accidents today. Drivers should avoid using their phones, eating, or doing anything that takes their attention away from the road. 3. Following traffic rules. Traffic rules are designed to keep everyone safe on the road. Drivers should follow speed limits, stop at traffic signals, and use turn signals while changing lanes. 4. Maintaining distance. Drivers should maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of them. This allows for enough time to react in case of sudden stops or emergencies. 5. Being aware of surroundings. Drivers should always be aware of their surroundings while driving. They should check their mirrors frequently and be on the lookout for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. 6. Avoiding aggressive driving. Aggressive driving behaviors such as tailgating, honking excessively, and cutting off other drivers can lead to accidents. Drivers should practice patience and remain calm while on the road. 7. Avoiding driving under the influence. Driving under the influence of drugs or alcohol is not only illegal but also extremely dangerous. It impairs judgment and slows reaction times, leading to accidents. 8. Keeping the vehicle maintained. Regular maintenance of the vehicle can prevent breakdowns and accidents. Drivers should ensure that their brakes, tires, and headlights are in good working condition.
9. Being cautious in adverse weather conditions. Adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, or fog can make driving difficult. Drivers should slow down and adjust their driving to the conditions. 10. Being courteous. Finally, drivers should be courteous to other drivers on the road. A little kindness and consideration can go a long way in promoting road safety and reducing accidents.
These are all compiled near-to-death footages. For more upcoming videos, please consider subscribe button.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel Speedhumps for more videos.